Hello and welcome to How to Helen. On our next trip, we're going to Costco. Now, Costco is what Landers and SNR are trying to imitate here in the Philippines. So today, we're going to show Nanay Helen and Tatay Helen how it looks like inside. So come join us. The home of large TVs or televisions. So if you want a large TV, you just have to go to Costco. Look at all the selections that they have. Costco has a large size of bulk clothing line, and they have both unbranded and branded designs. So you can have all the selections that you want. They have all sorts of clothing lines like shirts, jeans, sleepwear, tie-dye shorts, swimming attire for kids, and even unicorn beach towels. And this is where I actually buy my walking shoes, because for that price, how can you lose? Costco prices are always the lowest with their merchandise. The only catch is you have to buy them in bulk. Just like this Clorox sanitizing napkins or wipes, you have to buy them in 5 units. It just gets ridiculous sometimes, like this tissue paper. Who buys this much tissue paper? Like this big of a roll. Can you imagine buying this in one trip to the grocery store? Here's another example. Helen bought one of these 3 years ago. And it's been 3 years and we still haven't finished one roll. Can you imagine that? Look at the size of these chips. It's as big as my head. How can you finish this amount of chips in one day? This is a round orthopedic napper for your puppy. Even the puppies need orthopedic beds. Can you imagine that? Look at all the bread selections they have. And there's pastries around. Look at this. You can feed the whole family with this. And when you pass by the pastries department, you know you're bound to buy at least one. This is how big the package of tissue roll papers that they sell here. So if you have 2 of these and you live in a New York City apartment, then your apartment's gonna be full already, right? Look. And that is our trip here at the Costco Superstore. And as you can see, Mommy Helen actually was overwhelmed with how much stuff that we bought, even though it's still smaller than the average shopper that was inside. Look, it's still not enough. So that's how Costco is. So this is another How to Helen video, family edition. Thank you for watching.